A blissful morning to my dear kids. How are you all? Hope all of you are in the best of health with God's grace. Children, today I will be taking up the next grammar topic with you, and it's a very interesting topic, and you will love that topic. Now, what's that topic? Let's have a look at it. Yes, the topic here is writing a diary entry. Children, today I will be telling you how to write a diary entry, why do we write a diary entry, and what actually a diary entry is. So let's get started. Diary entry. Now, by the name you come to know that it is something related to diary, and you can see here also that one of the diaries is drawn here. So actually diary entry we write in a diary. Now, what is diary entry? Diary entry is nothing but it's your actual feelings. Means sometimes we want to save our memories by writing something, or sometimes we don't want to share our feelings with anyone, so we share those feelings with our diary. Means something good happens to you during the day, or something bad happens to you, something exciting or something sad, any kind of thing happens to you, and at the end of the day we note it in our diary. We have a personal diary with whom we share our feelings. Means a diary is like a friend to us. If we can't share any feeling with anyone, we share it with our diary. Or something you want to remember for the rest of your life, we note it down in our diary. So it's a very interesting topic, and it's nothing, it's just your feelings. Diary is a kind of a personal document. It records an individual's account of the day of his or her life. It's a great way to keep track of your past and think about your future. Yes, student, it's a very good track. Means if for example 10 years before something happened to me, and something good in my life, or something bad in my life, or something exciting in my life, and I want it to remember after 10 years of my life, or 20 years of my life, or till the end of my life, so I note down in diary. And after 5-10 years when I read it, I feel it very good. I remember those days. So diary entry is just our feelings and experiences, and our, you can say, incidences of our life, which we write in our own words for ourselves and keep it with us for the rest of our life. Now, what are the features of a diary entry? Actually, diary entry, what it has. A diary entry is a personal account of events, thoughts, and feelings that the writer has experienced. The language here is used informal, yes, though, because diaries, we are with diary which we are writing with diary, we are writing it in our own words. No formalities are there. The tone is chatty and conversational. Yes, when we write a diary entry, it's in a very friendly way. Means it's just like we are conversing with someone, or talking in general, like you and I are sitting in the class, or you your friend sit in the class and discuss, yesterday this happened or that happened, general feelings we tell. So that type of language is used here. Use of first person I and me, though because we are writing a diary entry for ourselves, so we use I and me. Now, how we write a diary entry, what rules we should follow. See, children, this is your notebook or your diary page. Here, first of all, we write the date, day, and time, and then start our diary entry. And tense we use here is generally in the past, or in the present perfect, or in future. And first person application means in the end we say bye diary, meet you soon diary, anything whatever we want to write. So children, according to your book, what's there, let us read. First of all, write the date, day, and glasswork here. Diary entry. A diary entry is personal record of our feelings about different events and incidents. A diary entry must always have a date, day, and time when it is written. It always has a date, day, and time when it is written. Now, there is a sample diary for you given in your book. You have to not do it, just we can have a reading of it, what's there in this, so that you can understand how to write a diary entry. It goes like this: you have lost a watch which your grandfather had given you. You are very sad. Record your feelings in the form of diary entry. Now here we are recording our feelings in the form of diary entry. How it is? First of all, we have written a day, time and date. What should I do? Today the most shocking thing happened. I can't believe that the watch Grandpa gave me last week is lost. Where could it have gone? All I did was to take it with me to school. I was only showing it to my closest friends. Did I drop it somewhere? See, you can see here in all the sentences I is used, first person is used. Now let me think. When I was showing my watch to my friends, they complimented me and returned me. Then I put the watch in my bag safely. But now I can't find it. What will I tell my parents? They will be disappointed with me. I will tell them tomorrow. I'm so scared. Now I have to go for dinner. Bye, diary. So you can see how in a simple language, in a simple way, the diary is being written. Same way you will also write, beta. Practice is one very easy, nothing much to understand here. Only three things to remember: that you have to write the date, day and time on the top. Then you can use your own language, and it is almost in the past, present perfect, or in future. And you write bye diary, or bye dear diary, meet you soon. Anything you can write in the end. And one sample you will also do is this in your book, the first one. Write a diary entry recording the celebration at your birthday party. This you do yourself. Let me see how much you have understood through by reading this, whatever you have understood. Then tomorrow I will make you write one diary in the class itself. Till then, bye, have a great day. Still you could not understand anything, you can ask me in tomorrow's live class. Till then, bye, have a great day. God bless you all.